Take a ride in the 2015 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.